We have a bunch of numbers arranged in a particular pattern. We need a way to quickly figure out the sum. That's the agenda over here. So please pause and see how to do it fast. Okay, so I'm looking at a table, right? So these are the numbers and the number of cell. I think I'll do this. Times, frequency actually. Frequency is to do with how many times it has occurred. Okay. So I think the table will help us a lot more than doing it in any other manner. So first is I'm looking at 15 and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Other end also there are, right? So there's 15 and 15 over here. So this is 8. So 8 plus. So this is done. This is done. And then there are 15 over here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let me use some other color. So this is 6. And here also 6. Nowhere else. So I'll write plus 6 over here. Okay. And this is totaling to 14. There are 14. Oh, no, 14. There's some more. 14. No, forget about 14. So this is 1 and 2. Plus 2. That's it. So we have to just keep doing this. So 25 also follows the same pattern. There are 1, 2, right? And same thing, and same thing, same thing. Can you see that? So basically, even 25 as well follows this pattern. So this is basically 16. So I found one and I'm able to figure out the others as well. Let's look at other number. So 35. So 35, 35, 35, 35, same pattern, 35, 35, same pattern. So the first one was a struggle, but everything else looks easy. And yeah, then we have to do the math. So 15, there are 16 of them. So 15 into 16, I can make one more table over here. Well, let's call it as total. So 15 into 16, we have it to be 240. Then 25 into 16, 400. 35 into 16, 560. Right? And then I'll add them up. So 5, 5, 10, 1, 2, 0, 0. Okay, again, you guys can do it in any manner. This is my idea, that's it. So one more set of numbers. Okay, so we have a lot of 21, 25. Please pause and try it. Let me zoom it for you guys. But yeah. So in this case, it is going in circular manner. So we have 21, 25, 250, 500 and 1000. So let's see. Let's try doing it. So we have, can we divide it into bunch of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that correct? Or did I put extra? 3 and 2. No. 3 and 2, 5. So 125, or sorry, yeah, 125. There are 1, 2, 3, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 of them. So here too we can use the table, right? So similarly we have grouping them as threes, manlo. So we have 3, 3 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay, I think I have done the counting. We can go back to the table form. So here too we will use table. That's the best way to go forward. table, or first we'll put the number and the count of the frequency. Again, frequency has to do with how many times that number has occurred, and the total, right? And then we have, so first is 125. So 125, there are 1, 2, 3, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 of them. Then we have 250, 253 and 3, 6, 7, 8. Then we have 500, there are 4 clearly. And then we have 1000, which is 1. Is it not? So we have 125 into 18. So this is 2250. And we have this clearly 2000. And this is 2000 as well. And this is 1000, by the way. The total is, we have 7,250. See, in this case, table helps. So my request to you guys is, there are many ways of solving many things. Sometime you might figure out even a better version of doing the same job, So that's how you get to learn, by exploring. So don't stick to one particular, okay, this is what it has to be, this is how we solve it. It's not that. Try different ways. You might get even a better version of what I have done. So as and when I do, I can find out many different methodologies and many different ways of calculating it faster. So I can come up with that. So can you. As simple as that. So discuss with your friends, ask your parents to do it. It's a puzzle. So anyone can do this. So you guys just need a calculator for faster calculation. If not, all you have to, you can look at how they think. That's the main agenda over here. It's not the final total. It's the way you approach that. So here the main agenda is approach. So my request to you guys is, this is your homework. Ask people to do this and look at their approach.